Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the capacity and capability building necessary so that we can manage change and transformation. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. It is not enough to talk about change and to say it needs to occur. It's if we help the people, we fix the pipes, then transformation can occur. People know that change is coming. They need to know what to do. They need to know where to go for help, and then empower them to go off and deliver. This is what we're going to be talking about further. People have pride in who they are and what they do. People naturally want to better themselves. It's not a case of lecturing to them and telling them what they've got to go and do. What it is it's a matter of painting the picture. People know that change is coming. They often don't know what to do, and they often want help during the process. It is fix the pipes, help the people. So on this diagram here, you have the outcome of business transformation. You need to have the capacity to do it, and you need to have the capability to do it. You need to have the leadership, and you need to have the governance. The capacity is the resources, which is infrastructure, people, and the information, as well as budget to make the change and to sustain the change and to sustain business whilst the change is made. Capability depends upon the skilling, which is the frameworks, the professional skills, and giving the people the ability to not only undergo transformation, but to do the new roles that come out of the transformation. And it is the training so that they know how to do it. For those in the room, we're going to discuss these further. For those online, please feel free to enjoy the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.